Welcome to your new publishing software. On our website you will find the latest version of our publisher. Please click on Service, then on Knowledge Base, and finally on Updates. Here you can find the Professional and Workgroups versions for Mac and Windows of the publisher. I choose the Workgroup Windows version and download it. Now I click on Run. If a Windows Defender warning appears, just click on More Information and then on Run anyway. Now the Setup wizard opens. Just click on Install and the software will be installed. Once the wizard is finished, click on Finish to continue. Now I am asked to load my purchased license key. I click on Install License and select my key in the directory where I saved it and click Install. Finally I am informed that I have successfully installed the license and will be asked if I want to start my new publishing software now. I click on Yes. Done. I can now start working.